One mission, one community, one assailant. Good morning, Philippines. It's Tuesday, April 23, and you are watching GBN, Gonzaga Broadcasting News, and we hope you are having a great day. This is the local communication network bringing you the top stories that are sure with no bias. For the details of our news, for celebrity news, Julian San Jose withdraws from Regine Velasquez concert over health concerns. For sports news, Barangay Ginebra survives 10th for third straight win. Stay tuned for news details only here when we come back. You're watching GBN, Gonzaga Broadcasting News. Julian San Jose withdraws from Regine Velasquez concert over health concerns. Asia songbird Regine Velasquez successfully staged his concert Regine Rocks, the repeat on April 19 at the Mall of Asia Arena. Limitless star Julianne San Jose was scheduled to be one of her guest performers but had to withdraw from the concert for health reasons. Julianne took to Facebook to thank Regine for opportunity and for being very understanding of her unexpected situation. Congratulations, Ate Regine Velasquez Alcacid, for a very successful concert. Your talent is truly undeniable, and I feel fortunate to have witnessed it throughout my journey as a singer. You are my inspiration, Julianne's caption read. I would like to express my gratitude for inviting me to be part of your concert. I was incredibly excited to share the stage with you again last night, but unfortunately, things didn't go my way due to health concerns, and I appreciate your understanding. I love you, she added. Julianne was replaced by Kapamilya singer Darren Espanto. Paolo Valenciano, one of the concert directors, praised Darren for filling in at such short notice. Just want to commend Darren Espanto who agreed to take Julian San Jose's place after an emergency health scare that forced her to back out this morning. Darren learned the whole prod this afternoon. Thank you so much, bro, and praying for your steady recovery, Julie San Jose. Hashtag Region Rock, the repeat. Paulo wrote on Facebook. This is Regeline Gonzaga reporting for GBN. Meanwhile, in other headlines, Barangay Ginebra survives 10th for third straight win. Barangay Ginebra survived 10th 87 to 83 to extend its winning streak to 3 on Friday in the PBA Philippines Cup at the Fel Sports Arena. Ginebra led by as much as 21, 37, and 16 early in the second period before the game was tied at 41 at the half. Ginebra had a lead 83 and 75 with 2 minutes and 34 seconds left in the fourth period before the chopping Giga made it 8 and 0 and tied the game with 1 minute and 17 seconds left. Scotty Thompson drilled a triple before Japit Aguilar split sealed the deal for Ginebra. Japit Aguilar and Christian Stanhandlinger both registered double-doubles, with the former posting 20 points and 10 boards, while the latter 20 points and 15 rebounds as Ginebra improved to 6 and 3. Thank you for joining us today on GBN, Gonzaga Broadcasting News. Your trust in us is the force that we drives our commitment to unbiased and accurate reporting. As we bid you farewell, we wish you a wonderful day ahead. Stay informed, stay safe. This is Regeline C. Gonzaga wishing you a pleasant day and a well-informed future.